So, hello guys, hello community. Today is the last day of the ReactOS Hackfest in Cologne, Germany, and so we are connecting with the team over there. Um, let's check and okay, hi guys. They are watching you right now. uh, you can move it slowly, slightly maybe to the left because my big head is covering Mark and Giannis. So I will try to improve this. But um, the main idea is today is the last day. So please, I know that Thomas is not today with us. We can see that Thomas has vanished. So he left yesterday, as as he told us. Yesterday, sadly, we couldn't have the live streaming. But what today we will have 2 days of sumup, and I think we can have really nice input about the achievements that we made during yesterday and today. So, Colin, today you are our cameraman. uh, and you will lead now, sharing the turns over there with the guys. Uh, so please tell us how did these days, yesterday and today go? How much fun did I miss because not being there? How many beers and pizzas did you eat? And how much did you code? And how much fun did you have really? Wait a second. Are you telling that you are booting reactors from USB? Wow. My God. Yeah, ThinkPad. Yeah, I can't believe it. I can't really believe it, man. Oh, now it's when Bedford happens, right? It's now when the blue screen of death appears as Windows XP and any other Windows that they have shown live. Oh my God. Okay, so there is no magic and no tricks. This is real life and real booting USB in reactors, thanks to the wonderful work doing previously in the USB drivers by Vigal and also by you guys making it real finally during the halfways. I think it's one of the biggest achievements. Well, not the biggest, but one of the most expected achievements trying to boot reactors from USB. So, well, I have to, on behalf of the guys of the reactors guys, I have to say that it's well, yes, purely amazing, really. So, um, thank you so much. So, yeah, that's another way to see that. Yeah, but it's wow. Uh, I mean, I think this is one of those days that you say, okay, finally, all the work done starts to pay off. Because there is a lot of work in USB. There is a lot of work in booting, in loading, in the preloader. But until all the pieces of the puzzle is not together, is like not having that. So yeah, that's pretty amazing to see that. Finally, finally booting. By the way, what happened with the with a laptop at 73%? Is that this one or it's a different one? No, I can't see it. Well, in your right, on your right, yeah, I see something. Ah, uh-huh. Oh, okay. Okay, so I think we can say that it failed, but well, okay. At least we had a really great success with USB during these 2 days. During these 2 days happened that achievement. But sure. And Colin, can you tell me what are you working now, or how did it go? How did the USB, for example, the USB testing went? Did you test a lot of mouses, keyboards, or which kind of testing have you been doing during yesterday and today in the USB part? Well, oh my God! So it will be awesome. For sure, this is not coming to the release, right? To the next release, but for the next one, or or are you planning to? Uh-huh, that's pure amazing. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I mean, it's probably I don't know. It's an achievement that I couldn't believe until you show me in the laptop. So amazing. Okay, so USB was really through testing. You tested a lot of USB devices. We have USB booting. Well, I mean, wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, I'm pretty sure about that. I was about to begin asking them because I know that in 2 days they probably made a lot of progress. By the way, what about the just to finish about the repo about the migration? What when do you think we will officially start to move into GitHub into Git? Uh huh. So maybe until September, more or less, we won't be really using GitHub in 2 weeks or more or less, with no hurries, but more maybe an expected data could be that one, no? September, September, October. But okay, wow, that's amazing. So well, I will begin asking to the rest of the developers. So I don't know who wants to start first. Who wants to share his achievements? Or Colin, you will. Ah, Yannis, please. Yeah, sure. Because yeah, copy pasting is like something so basic, but so complex at the same time. People doesn't realize really the hard work that really has from the file system to the shell to to Explorer, how all is really related one to each other, and how a bug just in the file system can uh, can launch us towards recursions and a lot of bugs that we have shown we have that we had in reactors, or a small bug in Explorer or in the cell extensions, how it can kill the user experience at all. So there are a lot of small pieces that has to puzzle together in order to work perfect. And if one is missing, then everything collapses. So yeah, it's a lot of work that we know that from time to time they say, hey, how copy pasting is not working really properly yet, and it's because there are a lot of stuff to make it really working properly. So yeah, and well, guys, you can see that Yanis is an amazing developer, and he has been is he has been fighting against this copy pasting issue for months even, and it's an issue that is more complex that one can expect. Huh? Yeah, I know that the copy pasting has been killing us, but it was you was fixing one bug and another appeared, and then when one was appeared, then drag and drop shown as another one, and then recursion folders recursively copying inside one on the other. So then file system corruptions. So yeah, it was like a lot of small bits that with a lot of bugs from a lot of years, but yeah, that all the bugs has to be ironed out in order to have it properly working. And I know that you have made a lot of effort to have basic basic copy pasting working nicely now. And well, I'm willing to test this new ReactOS version with USB booting, with shell extensions, with copy pasting fixing, and well, I know that there are other achievements that Mark, I'm sure he will want to share, and Alex and Timo, because I've seen some commits already. But yes, sure, Yanni. So during these 2 days, aside of cell extensions, which is a really huge work, and copy pasting and USB testing, well, can you share with us another achievement or any future work that you want to do after the half phase is over? What do you think right now is the critical area that we have to fix from your point of view, from your development point of view, in order to make the reactors experience much better? Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. And aside of cell extensions and USB testing, have you been working in other projects or helping another guy, or a guy over there, or Mark or Alex or something? Something to highlight aside of that? If you have been working aside of cell extensions and USB, did you work in other areas of the reactors development during these 2 days? Yes, focus it in cell extensions, right? Okay, that's cool. Yeah, amazing. Okay, so we can then move probably to Mark or Alex, who wants to be first. You sure? Okay, that's proactivity. I love that. Hmm. Wow, 5 years, bud. Uh-huh. In which part of the shell have you been working today? Copy pasting. Wow. So two guys trying to fix our copy pasting. That's amazing. Uh, yeah. Two really good guys in the cell. So that's amazing. That's amazing. Wow. Are you been in during the Proscon events, Mark? Because yep, Yanis, you are going to be over there too, right? Okay, so guys, those viewers, if you want to join the ReactOS Frostcon in the Frostcon event, you can meet Mark and Yanis for sure. Colin, I'm pretty sure he will be over there, so I didn't ask him. Colin, you will be there, right? Sure. So unless those three guys, these three guys who are really amazing developers and well, even much better persons, so they will enjoy a lot to tell you about all the reactor secrets, bugs, and features that they are working on. So that's 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 amazing. Okay, so okay, next, what we can talk about is Alex. Then, can you tell us about?
Okay, so this days I've been working on my reps. Well, I found out that I tested it in the VM in ReactOS, and I found out that my reps didn't work at all. So I just spending days trying and fixing something like. Well, there was some bug that existed both in Windows and ReactOS that I fixed recently, and now it just doesn't work in ReactOS and works in Windows. So I need to ensure that this app is compatible with both. So I'm fixing it. Yeah,
Are
that's
you
pretty much.
are you fixing reactors? Are you hacking reactors or hacking the app?
No, I'm hacking the app right now because well, it needs to be compatible itself.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Someone will tell you, no, no, you have to find why it's not working in reactors instead of trying to hack the app. But well, for now, as I'll hack it, probably it will work. That's cool. And so, any new features or achievement in the Raps itself? Because I know that you have been really basic with this batch installing, but have you moved it or have you added any new feature, new achievement to Raps?
Actually, well, I in this week I've added the two keys to install apps without needing to select apps in GUI. But that's that's it for my GSOC project,
Yep,
and I'm just questioning bugs right now and finishing up.
that's cool. That's cool. Amazing. Okay, so and aside of Raps, have you been working with USB testing or any other side project along that? Or
Sure. I was helping guys with the testing, but mostly the help was taking pictures and suggestions because I'm not an expert in USB. No,
no, yeah, I know. Yeah, understanding our USB stack can take a while. So, uh, but no, but it's cool to see you know um, uh, placing your hands not just in raps because you can learn a lot from these guys. I know that you realize it how you can learn a lot just being 1 week together. It's like both yeah, in team working, but also in probably learning about how to do things, how to debug, improving your debugging skills, improving just by watching the reactor developers. So I love to be over there with the team really. Okay, so Timo, the hiding guy, the T guy. Oh, sorry, I said your name. Oh my gosh. The T guy hiding behind me. Uh, tell me.
Everyone knows who I am.
Well, I will pay you with a beer if you don't mind. So T guy, tell me what have you been doing? Because I saw that you have been cleaning up a little bit, but tell us a little bit about it. What were you trying to achieve?
Well, most of the time I cleaned up on my patches that I already had collected during the last year or something. I prepared a bunch of them. Some of them already committed, more are to follow. But the process of rebasing them, testing them, and so on is pretty time consuming.
Yeah.
That more patches are going to follow. I also did some work on trying to get the MSDC release build going. Turned out to be a little bit problematic. I have already a bunch of fixes for that. Some things don't really work as expected, so it needs a little bit more time to get that completed. Um, and I did a little bit of preparational work for my for the code in the memory manager to prevent overcommitting pages. I committed a few things already that are required to implement that or to get my code working. There's still a few things that need to be sorted out, but I got closer in that aspect. And that's it.
I saw your memory manager commits in memory. I think if I recall correctly. Well, I was crossing my fingers to see suddenly, I don't know, some padding or, or way to padding in and out and being able to use more RAM than usually have, that we have installed really. But well, let's hope you can keep working in that memory that's being pumped up for sure. Um, well, that's amazing that you are. By the way, Timo, do you think that the move to Git is going to help you in the future for this rebasing that you are doing now in Subversion? Or
I use Git, so it's for me, it's I've been basically waiting for Git to be implemented, and it was more like as long as I have to use SVN, I don't really like to commit anything.
that's true.
So I'm hopeful that it's going to be
Okay,
switched soon, so that helps a lot.
okay, okay, that's cool. Yeah, that's one of the reasons, and also the possibility of having GitHub to reach new developers or new contributors through pull requests are probably one of the main killer features that Git has nowadays, aside of local branches, these kind of things. But well, the idea of having people working in small pieces, not just in the kernel pieces, but maybe even just in our I don't know, Paint, in Calc, in small apps that people can use to learn about Win API. It will be a really handy, so we can focus in the kernel and in the insiders really. So so that's cool. Timo, are you going finally to ProsCon? I know that you have some real life stuff to do.
Yeah, I will be there tomorrow up to 4 o'clock maybe, 4 to
Okay,
around.
amazing. So basically, you are going to be all of you five over there in the table. Oh, wow, that's impressive. That's impressive. Probably it's one of the events with more ReactOS developers from the last years. Oh, I mean, at least attending people. I mean, so if I have to say this Proscon, I mean, if you are next to Proscon in Cologne, Germany, you have to visit us, our table. Of course, all the tables in Proscon, but having these five guys, Yanis with Shell, Alex with being our GSOC student with Raps, Mark with this app compatibility layer, which well, it's going to rock so much. Colin with his crazy ideas about having a GPU server to test remotely, which is amazing, and it's moving to Git. And Timo is in the memory manager area and a lot of fixes. An amazing white developer. I mean, you will have all probably the whole reactors covered, so there is no question without answer. Probably tomorrow during this weekend of Frostman. So okay, let me ask something about because I have several questions of the guys through Twitter who has shared also in our live chat. So one of the easiest one is well, Yanis, you who are the stemming guy also. They are asking if we are going to have the Windows XP stem available in reactors in the next version.
No.
No. Just plain no. We are going to. We are
There
going
is
to.
one.
Yeah.
Users can use whatever thing they like, but we already have one thing.
Yeah. I mean, by the way, maybe can talking now that we have the Raps guide next to you. Can we have maybe we can add some themes if we don't have yet maybe a link to the theme so they can download and install them in style so they feel like they are in Windows if they wish. But I prefer much more Lotus that we have by the wall. I'm by default also in installed already in Reactos, which is a black theme, which is amazing. By the way, now with the latest fixes. But maybe we can think about adding a couple of more MS styles if they are free to link, so they can try to choose typical. I don't know. This sounds odd, but users love a catchiness at the end. So it's well, we will try to find a way so if people want to try more new styles they can download. Yeah, it can be available because it's proprietary. They say. Uh, yeah, but there are some styles I think that they are trying to recreate the original one that I don't know if we can be linked. So that's the reason why I'm not sure about that. But well, anyway, if anyone wants to test that, probably they can use the MS styles from Microsoft by their own responsibility and test it. So that's cool. So another general question for all the team from the other day was 0.4 means that we are at the 40% of compatibility regarding Windows that we are in this 40%, or how do you feel reactors nowadays?
What are you asking?
Wow.
Who are you asking?
Who is asking? A Twitter guy.
No, who do you want to answer?
Well, anyone. You feel free to answer. If this is a question to any of you. So, from your development point of view, maybe Yanni from yourself, or what do you think about that?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. Anyone can give an answer about that?
But I think you need to repeat the question.
Okay, I will repeat the question. The question of this guy was since we in our roadmap 1.0 means full compatibility. We are now in 0.4. They want to know if 0.4 really means that we are at this 40% of compatibility regarding Windows. If we can compare in such a way, yeah, it's pretty complex. So
No, I don't think you can compare it in this way.
yeah,
Even at 1.0, we won't be 100% perfect because, well, it's not the same code, so it will always behave slightly differently.
yeah. That's and also this 1.0. I will use my term. This 1.0 is slightly cheating really because Windows is evolving daily. Windows is not a stop target. They didn't stop developing. So that means really that they keep evolving and we have to keep evolving. So this 1.0, what does it mean? Does it mean has to be really compatible with Windows 7, with Windows 10, with Windows XP Perfect? So answering to this guy, and probably a lot of guys asking about this 1.0 release. When it happens, it's really that it doesn't mean nothing really, because Windows is keeps evolving and we are going to keep evolving too. The good
It's
part,
done. It's done.
yeah,
I think we shouldn't think about 1.0 now when the next release is 0.4.6. And well, we are improving every day. And even if our kernel is 2003, we are adding APIs of newer Windows versions already to also get compatibility to other programs which only run under newer Windows versions. So ReactOS will always be something special, not really targeting 100% of Windows 2003 or 100% of Windows 7. But well, just it will have the best. The idea is the target is to have a broad compatibility with Windows applications and drivers, and we will see how we will reach this goal. And I think Mark's application compatibility work is definitely a step into the right direction to also allow applications of newer Windows versions to work under ReactOS.
yeah, exactly. That was also a question I want to ask you, because people sometimes says, "Oh my God, you are targeting, Windows Server 2013, and however we are now in Windows 10." And we have to say that we are adding APIs, which are new APIs, not all, newer APIs that software is using. So it's not really that we are targeting such old operating system, but that we are adding APIs to be compatible also with some of the latest software. On the other hand, just to highlight this, is that APIs, that new versions of Windows is just adding new APIs on top of the current APIs. So a lot of the software nowadays are still using really old APIs, and not using the most and the latest APIs added by Microsoft. So that means that there is an inertia. I call this software development inertia, because companies who make software, they want to be compatible with as much Windows operating system as possible. So if they just target Windows 10, they won't be able to be run their software in Windows 7, or they won't be able to sell to Windows 7, and they have a lot of inertia to add. They are reluctant to add new APIs to their software. So you can try even software that say that they don't run in Windows XP or whatever, and maybe you will be surprised to see that probably they will in most of the cases. So well, from time to time. But with Mark Jansen app compatibility layer, also we can provide a safer way to be compatible with these new apps and with older apps even. So it's a really an amazing step to understand this huge work that Mark is doing right now with this sim layer. So just to use this question to try to show where we are targeting, where we are working towards, and understanding also a little bit better Mark's work on his sim layer. Okay, so those are the two questions. Okay, so can anyone hear anything they are saying? Hard to understand. Audio is so. Well, I'm trying to. I hope. I don't know. Please tell us if the audio is so. Please tell us if you are not hearing well our developers in Germany or me, just to know to try to enhance the volume or filter noise or whatever. So please feedback about that, Andres and Nick. Um, okay, so today is the last day of the ReactOS Hackfest. So probably can you make mm, this is a question for anyone. So pick it. What about the experience of the Hackfest itself? What about meeting offline in the offline world? What about the achievements? Have you seen as a funny thing, a really boring thing, Have you been motivated? Do you think this kind of Hackfest motivates to move forward? Are you eager for our next ReactOS Hackfest, or do you want maybe to have one in 10 years or 20 years as today? Uh, what do you think about this ReactOS Hackfest experience?
Um,
It,
I think Colin might have some ideas about the next Hackfest.
Well, I have done most of the organization, which is taking up some time, but I think it was worth it. And I think the others can say something about that.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's totally worth it.
Let's do one in Spain next time. In
Yeah.
okay, I promise. I promise to next time we will do it here in Spain, in the south or in Madrid. We will see where. Trying to have beach and beers and yeah, in Spain. So okay, so the next Reactors Hackers is going to be in Spain. The only problem is that Spain, you know, have a lot of party beers, and I don't know if we are going to be really focused in coding. But after all, Hackfest is much more than coding. It's about fun and meeting offline, which is something really cool to happen from time to time. So and yeah, we have really good flights to Spain, so it's easy to reach here, and also really well cheap compared with Germany, probably. So it was worth the experience. That's cool. And so next time, when next summer, do you want the next Reactors Hackfest, or do you want it sooner, later? Because the last one was 2 years ago, one of this kind. So do you think that we have to keep this pace about one each biannually or the yearly, or do you think next year it could be a nice opportunity to meet again?
Yeah, I think yearly is nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. This makes sense. Okay, so hope. So okay, next time I'm pretty sure I can join you guys. Hope so. So we will be one more over there, and I'm pretty sure more guys are coming attracted by the sound of Spain too. Uh, okay, so any other, I don't know, mm, any other thoughts about the Reactors Cafes? Any other improvements that you want to? I don't know. It's you know, in Scrum they will say that this is the final meeting after the sprint in order to improve the performance for our next sprint. So, do you think we can improve something for the next time, or was good enough?
No, we are perfect.
We are perfect. Okay. And then I want to ask you more about that. Okay, so so Colin, if you want to sell our, well, if you want to say some words about Reactors being in Frostcon, please try to attract people to the Reactors table. So please make a small advertising now, if you wish.
Well, for the people watching this stream, if you have seen us for 4 days now, and if you still want to meet us in person, you can come to Frostcon starting tomorrow, and it's also going to be on Sunday. And we will be representing ReactOS there, all the 5 of us. And we are open for any questions regarding the system.
Which it's a free entrance in Frostcom?
It is free entrance there.
Okay, that's cool. So guys know that they don't have to pay for to go into. And there are a lot of open source. It's an open source. Well, it's an open source event. There are going to be a lot of open source projects, not just us. Also, so it will be a really nice experience to meet another guys working in open source too. And do you know the hours of open and closing the event during the Saturday and Sunday?
Tomorrow it will open at 8:30, and on Sunday it starts at 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and evening too, or just during the morning?
Both in the morning, yeah.
Okay, perfect. So that's amazing. Okay, so you know, guys, you have to come to Frostcon. It's our first time that we are going to be over there, and you can meet not just our five guys, but also a laptop booting through USB, which is going to be amazing to watch it live. Um, and well, yeah, it's over there. It's still working. It didn't mess up. That's wow, a nice achievement too.
Crash today.
Team up, please. Shh, don't tell them. Okay, so yeah, it's no ReactOS is perfect. We know that. Okay, we are almost perfect. So cool. So well, your final words before any other final word before we end this last transmission from the ReactOS Hackfest?
Okay.
Nothing. Okay. So well, I will have well.
ReactOS rocks.
ReactOS rocks. Yeah, that's what I was trying to find. To tell us. Okay, so yes, Reactor rocks and rocks. It's a hard rock really. So it's hard rocking now. Okay, so well, this is well from my point of view. I've been working with this RAPS database. It's working, so I have to talk with Colin to show you and to try to integrate because it's almost aside of cleaning a couple of PHP functions, it's working registering, recovering passwords, adding translations to wraps, adding filtering by kind of license, modifying to adding having we have in wraps uh, two different dashboards, one for admins, one for testers, and one for yes people who wants to share with us an app suggestions. We will tell that way, and well, I hope it can evolve even more. I was working in adding pictures even, and I hope we can do some work to integrate with wraps and and well also my latest thing that I did was checking links that well I'm using three different techniques before claiming that a link is not working. So we can notify also it notifies via email to the admins when a link is detected not working, and it's tested links are tested daily. So well I think it's well, during the whole morning I was working on that, and finally I have something that looks promising before going into some fixing and adding a couple of more features, like making it well, it's using basically Bootstrap framework from the front end, PHP in the back end, MySQL. It's pretty easy. A couple of jQueries, Ajax, and yes, pretty basic, but I think it works pretty well for what we are trying to achieve. So it's pretty lightweight, which is something I love. And instead, using a whole Drupal to store, or other kind of systems. So well, that was from I forgot because I went into interview mode and I forgot I was sharing my achievements. So yeah, so yes, to finish with this transmission, I will share that. So well, guys, thanks a lot to all you five, also to Thomas, well, all the guys who were over there, Michael. I want to thank a lot to join, to be live, to meet offline, to have some fun at night, at evenings, and to be so calling during the holidays, using your holidays time for sharing with our community and also to work in ReactOS, which is so important. So for me, it's all. I hope you like it, the live streaming, the guys in the community. I hope you like it too, even if I know that doing a sumup is more complex even that code in the kernel of ReactOS. And well, it's 45 minutes already. So I think it's time to end this transmission, and well, and I wish we can do more ReactOS Hackfest, because I know it works, not just from the coding point of view, but from the offline and meeting guys point of view. So well, that's all from Cologne, Germany, with ReactOS Hackfest. We will keep sharing pictures from ProsCon through the Twitter, through Facebook, through our accounts, through social media, and blog posts. And well, just something is that next week probably is when we are releasing our new ReactOS version, right? Probably.
Colin.
Colin.
Was it a question directed to me?
Well, to anyone, but I think they rebounded to you. It's like, Colin, please answer. The next release of the ReactOS is going to be next week, or during the next week, probably.
If we keep on schedule, then it's going to be next week, but I can't say for sure due to Hackfest and other obligations. But yeah, I think it will be within this month, so
okay,
that's for sure.
That's for sure. So cool. So this is next version is going to probably happen next week or in 2 weeks as much. So well, I think that's all from here. I will cut now, and thank you again for being over there and helping to do a sum up about your work. Okay, guys. So have fun today and tomorrow and on Sunday for those who are staying until Sunday, and enjoy ProsCon. Please share pictures with me, or share through Twitter and Facebook, so people can follow and can see you in the table. And well, that's all for now. And well, thank you so much. Okay, for these daily sum ups.
See you.
See you guys, and thank you. Bye bye, Yanis. I know you are probably over there drinking water, of course. Okay, so see you, and hope to meet you pretty soon again. Okay.
Okay, see you.
See you. Bye bye.